Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you a clever way to create an interlocking logo using just Canva, perfect for anyone wanting to make a striking custom design in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make two letters like D and C look like they're seamlessly interlocked, a sleek effect that's perfect for branding, social media, or just flexing your creative skills. Let's jump right in and get started. First, once you're inside Canva and have your canvas set up, head over to the text menu on the left sidebar and click on Add Heading. This gives you a larger, more editable block of text to work with. Type in the letter D now. This is your base letter. It's going to form one half of that interlocking design. Take a moment now to make this D as big as you need. We want it to stand out clearly. You can easily drag the corners to adjust the size, and if you hold down Shift while resizing, it'll keep the proportions just right. Think of this D almost like the frame of a puzzle. It's going to hold everything together. Next, let's bring in our second letter. Go back to the text menu and add another heading. This time, type in the letter C now. You'll want to stack the C directly on top of the D. It helps to align it so the two letters overlap just the way you want them to interlock later. At this stage, don't stress if they don't look connected yet. We're just setting up the pieces, like arranging cutouts before gluing them down. To make things visually clear, change the color of the C, something that really stands out against the D. Now here's a trick I like to use to keep things organized. Add a new blank page below your work. This is where you're going to do a bit of copy-pasting magic. Copy that C you just created and move it to the new blank page. This makes it easier to work on just the C without any distractions from the D. Once that's done, go to the top right and click on the Share button, then choose Download. Download the C as a PNG, and make sure you have the transparent background option checked if that's available. This will help in the next steps. After it downloads, upload this C right back into Canva. There might be a short loading time here, so don't worry, it can take a moment for the file to appear in your uploads. Now jump back to your original page where the D and C are stacked. It's time to work a little design magic. Take the original C and move it behind the D. Just right-click, select Layer, and choose Send to Back. This makes the D the top layer and creates the first half of that interlocking illusion. Now drag in the freshly uploaded CPNG and here where we fine-tune. Use Canva's background remover, which might require a Canva Pro account to wipe out any white space. Now position the cleaned up C so it fits perfectly with the first C and overlays the D. This creates the effect that the letters are woven together, almost like links of a chain. You might need to crop or nudge the C a little so that the interlocking parts look precise. Don't hesitate to zoom in and tweak until you're happy. Sometimes the smallest adjustments make all the difference. If it's not perfect at first, that's totally normal. With a bit of patience, you'll get a really clean, professional look. Once you're happy with your interlocking logo, all that's left to do is share or download it. Just head up to the Share button again and save your masterpiece. And there you go, you've created a stylish, customized interlocking logo using just a few simple tools in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more creative hacks and design how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.